It is very simple for the DCI, the EACC, to actually investigate every one of those allegations against me and be able to deal with them one by one. Peddling papers on the television like this, like that, saying, oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Excuse me, Kenyans, you've got to be a bit more clever than that. All right?
Yes.
So all I'm telling you right now is none of the accusations that have been levied against me or the insinuations are true.
Yes.
And as we move along, after I've consulted with my lawyers, after I've consulted with the various government officers, because I will follow due process, this time, I'm not letting it go.
That's true.
I'm not letting it go.
Women power! Women power!